No more games, Juice. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna pack a bag, and then I'm gonna drive you to my dad's place myself. You got the boys?
Yeah, okay.
Walls are closing in, sweetheart. You stay. MC finds you, or the cops do. Either way, Jax gets to you and you end up dead. Is that what you want?
I don't want to die. I don't like being alone. I'm not good on my own. My head gets so loud. And shit doesn't make... Nothing syncs up. I start thinking about my thinking. And getting lost in the details of nothing. Nothing can pull me out of it.
Hey, it's okay. I'm gonna take a deep breath, okay? It's okay. Okay, hey, you're not gonna be alone, okay? All right? Okay.